Hello friends, today we continue talking about Mars and aspects between Mars and other planets, okay? Yesterday we have seen Mars and Venus, and today we are talking about Mars and Jupiter. We are talking about 5 aspects: conjunction 1 to 0 degrees, then good aspects, as they say. It's trine and sextile, 60 degrees and 120 degrees, and not very good aspects. Or they say harsh aspects, yeah? It's square and opposition, 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Okay, conjunction. Mars and Jupiter. Mars is our activity, our motivation, our physical energy as well, yeah? And Jupiter, which is just enlarging everything, yeah? It's our optimistic planet. It's just like giving gifts to you, and our ambitions. It's our engine for growth, so to say, yeah? Well. When they're together, who you are, what qualities of what characteristic of your personality you are having here. You are very self-assertive. You want to be proud of yourself all the time. You are charming. You have this stamina. You just exude authority, yeah? The great thing, your self-belief is absolutely incredible here, yeah? Your motto is like, I can do this. So you are just enthusiastic and optimistic about everything, and you think you are authority. You really believe you are the luckiest guy, and you can do things done. And this is, by the way, the truth. So, well done you. You are a lucky guy, and this is very good. It's very good, but you do remember that every aspect has some minuses as well. So here you just have to be vigilant that you don't purely rely only on luck. Yes, you are lucky. Yes, Jupiter gives you this luck. Yes, in everything you do, Mars, I do, Jupiter, luck. So you are lucky in everything you do. Yes, you are born to rule the business, to manage businesses and rule other people. Yes, and you're still kind. You want to help other people. And yes, people do respect you. And yes, they do think you are lucky bastard. And yes, they value your opinion. Yeah? But yes, your self-esteem is huge. You think really much about your intellectual capacity. And you have this energy and enthusiasm to get things sorted in every way. And this is fantastic. But sometimes you just rely too much purely on luck. So if you control this, okay, if you calculate risks wisely, not just expect that everyone and up there helps you just like this. No, my dear. Don't rely purely on luck, and don't think you are just the best of the best. You are king of the universe, okay? Try to be a little bit less ambitious, because here your ambitions are just absolutely enormous here. And this is fantastic when it is, you know, kind of like wise, you know. If you are not able to see your not very attractive side of actions, or not very attractive things of character, you're bloody too self-assertive, you know, and you just think you are the best of the best. Try to be realistic, okay? You are lucky. You are charming. You are exude this authority, yes, but you are not the only one in the universe like this, okay? And try to calculate risks carefully, okay? Well, when we talk about sextile, 60 degrees, or trine, 120 degrees between these two planets, yes, you are optimistic, yes, you are with great sense of humor, yes, others just think, oh, he's just a lucky guy, yeah, and he's knowledgeable, and he's authoritative, he's interesting, he's just great guy to talk to. And he is capable to rule other people, other businesses. Yes, he's talented guy in every way. Yes, you do have this respect of other people. Yes, people like you, and you are lucky about this, yeah? The great thing about you, that you have this self-belief, like, I can do this. You are not afraid of anything. You just start any work in front of you, and you have this energy and optimism to get things done. And this is fantastic, yeah? The only bad is, again, as I said, like minuses in conjunction, try not to rely purely on luck, and try not to think that you are the only one who is brilliant here, okay? Yes, respect other people's achievements too, yeah? Well, what else? You do remember that Mars in girl's horoscope shows what kind of man she will be attracted to, yeah? So, in this aspect, in girl's horoscope, we can see that she will be attracted to a man who is giving her a reason to be proud of him, okay? He must have brain, he must have social status, he must be knowledgeable person, and authoritative person. Exude some authority, you know. So there is some weight of his words, not just blah blah blah, but he is sorting things. He make things done. And this is very important for her, that he is given her a reason to be proud of. Without this, it can't be a good relationship, okay? So, it is a must in girl's horoscope. Her husband must give her a reason to be proud of. He has to have this status, position in life. It is important, okay? Well, and now we are talking about Mars in square, it's 90 degrees, and opposition, 180 degrees to Jupiter in Natal Chart. First of all, you might spend too much because Jupiter push you to spending money. Secondly, you get yourself in speculative money schemes, okay? You do want money and power and authority, but you try to get this in shortest possible way. And you get yourself involved in money, risky schemes and speculative things. Look, here, when we talk about square and the position, yes, you are still lucky, you are still charismatic, enthusiastic and optimistic person, but you rely too much on luck, and you can't do this because you will be losing money here. So be careful where you invest your money and what way you are choosing to make money and get some status in society, okay? Because universe is not so supportive here for you, okay? You still have to work on this. Yes, you have this talent. Yes, you have this self-assertiveness, yeah, confidence. Yes, you think your intellectual capacity is enormous and you can teach everyone around, but the minus here, you don't respect authorities of anyone else. You think you are the best and you do things right, but all the others, they don't appreciate you. They are wrong in everything they do. They are wrong in everything they say. So it's just like you think you are the only one who is right and all the others are wrong, and they're picking on you and they don't respect you enough and they don't value your achievements enough, etc., etc. So here we have a little bit of problem. You are still a lucky guy, okay? You are still charismatic, optimistic, enthusiastic and self-assertive and confident person. This is fantastic. You still have this energy to get things sorted, to get things done. But try to respect achievements of others. Don't think you are the only one who knows everything here, okay? And don't rely purely on luck. Here you can miscalculate the risks. You have to be more careful. Okay? You heard me. Well. What else? And make sure you do really achieve things, yeah? Get things done. So you are proud, not just of yourself that you are so brilliant or whatsoever. No, you are proud of your real achievements. Because yes, here you tend to be like, I am the best one in the universe, I'm the most knowledgeable, I'm the most, etc. Yeah? But real achievements are not there. So you are proud of yourself when there is nothing actually to be proud of. So please be sure you do things done in proper way before you are saying I'm the best of the best. Okay? Otherwise people might just, you know, take you not very seriously, yeah, and think that you're just like boasting bastards, but absolutely empty inside. But it's not true, okay? You are still lucky. You are still knowledgeable how to manage people, how to manage businesses. So Jupiter doesn't take luck away from you. No, Jupiter is really a fantastic planet. It's always gives you good ambitions which are pushing you ahead and up. But here, just try to achieve real things before you are posting how beautiful, fantastic, etc. you are. Okay? And you will be the charm of the charms in everybody's heart, etc. Just try to be a little bit more realistic and calculating risks more carefully. Okay? Okay, my dears, stay with me because I'm giving you just the squeezed things from all the astrological courses and schools and books that I have read. I'm just giving you structured knowledge how to, first of all, read your natal chart, and then we will go to prognostics, how to understand prognosis for every day in life, how to understand what doors are open, what doors will be closed, and evaluate the risks, yeah? And plan our big things like conceiving child, moving house, changing jobs, starting new relationships, etc. Big things in life, yeah? You can plan with the knowledge of astrology, and this will just guarantee you success in everything you do. I promise you, okay? Just learn astrology with me and share this video with others because these are really very important knowledge. Okay, my dears, thank you for being with me. I'm grateful for all your likes, for support to my channel, and have a wonderful day. Good luck and everything.